Hi, everybody. I'm here at home just finishing up a little bit of work on my computer for the day. So earlier I was teaching today at Nova, and so I've taken a little bit of time this afternoon to just work on my spa business because there's definitely always work to be done there, and also my It Works business. And one of the things that I think is really amazing is like learning a little bit more about the companies that we like use their stuff from. And I know for the skincare division of my business, Comfort Zone, people are always so interested to know like that the Bellotti family still owns it and it's from Parma, Italy, and kind of like what that's all about. So I thought today I might share with you the story of Mark and Cindy Pentecost, who are the creators and owners of It Works. Just because I think sometimes people are kind of like, I mean, let's be honest, people do come from a bit of a negative place sometimes, and they're kind of like, well, what even qualifies It Works to be giving like supplements and vitamins to people? So, yeah, if you want to know their story, keep on watching. So, I'm just reading a little bit, I'm sharing with you. So, the Pentecost, they started in the telecommunication industry. So, it was home based as well, like It Works is. And I think as well, like, well, I don't think, I know, I'm reading it right now. So originally, like before, they were, so Mark was a high school teacher and Cindy was a stay at home mom with her 3 children. So they were struggling, just like a lot of the families that they now help. I'm like noticing this like tail. Okay, excuse me while I just tuck that away. So they had this side business in the telecommunications industry. They were just wanting to earn an extra $500 a month. And they grew and grew and grew far beyond the goal that they'd originally set for themselves. And Mark became a top 10 income earner in the company. So he was financially, free, as so many of us want to be. That rhymed. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. And so he really wanted to help other families do the same thing, and that was sort of the inspiration or the moment that It Works was kind of born. So in 2001, the Ultimate Body Applicator was born. So it is still our company's most popular product. So that's the wrap. So Mark received a call from Pam, who's now our It Works Chief Networking Officer. She raved about this product. And really, they saw it as an alternative to cosmetic surgery or constrictive shapewear. And truly, like the results that I've seen, by the way, with Ultimate Body Applicator, I was so skeptical about this product. Oh my goodness. People would come into my spa and be like, do you think it works? And I'd be like, no. Now I'm like, okay, who asked me if it worked or not? Because I want to tell you, it does. So it is a alternative to surgery and stuff. So Mark says, I watched my wife try it. She was ecstatic with the results, and I watched her call her girlfriend right away and tell her what had happened. Her girlfriend said that she wanted to try it, and they hung up. It wasn't 30 seconds later, her girlfriend called back and said, my daughter was listening and she wants one for her chin. That's so cute. Is there something for the chin? That was when I knew we had a perfect product for direct selling, a product that people would be excited to share with their friends and family. Since then, the Ultimate Body Applicator has become a global phenomenon, and Pam Souter now travels all over the world to meet with distributors, giving hands-on training and support, and share the Ultimate Body Applicator. So the other key point, I won't read you the whole history, but the other key point I would like to make is also in 2001, really, Luis, I'm sorry, Luis, I don't know who you are, but I'm going to mispronounce your last name. Miares? I'm guessing he's a Spanish gentleman. I hope that's right. So he has been the sort of like the chief like formulator behind the It Works products since 2001. So he he was learning, oh yeah, he is a Spanish gentleman because he was born in Mexico, and he learned natural remedies from his grandmother. So he has a background in skincare, nutrition, pharmaceutical, and biotechnology industries. So he has all this education behind him. He was the CEO of a top pharmaceutical company. He's a herbalist, and he is a university educator of phytotherapy, which is the use of plants for medicinal purposes. So I just read this the other day, and I have been with the company for 2 months now, and that just blew my mind. Not to say the companies are the same, because obviously they're different, but Comfort Zone, their whole thing with Skin Regimen, which is my premium anti-aging product, is like there's a whole team of people. So nutritionists, pharmacists, cardiologists, like all these brilliant people that came together to formulate it. And it sounds like this Luis dude is like all of those people in one. I mean, this is just mind-blowing to me. So he is the product development specialist. So really it was in 2005 when the supplements came into play. And what I think is so amazing about this is that Mark went to his doctor, and his doctor said, I want you to take a multivitamin. And Mark said, okay, which one? And the doctor didn't know. I guess also because the market is so saturated with products these days. So he decided that he wanted to, like, I'm guessing that he probably wanted to talk to Luis. Oh, no, he met a dude named Don Verhulst. Well, who's a doctor. Sorry, Don, I just called you a dude. So probably Luis and Don worked together, I'm guessing. It's kind of just skipping over that. But, yeah, like he then was feeling passionate about the multivitamins. So I don't know if you guys know, but we carry some amazing omega-3s. We also carry some core nutrition, like it's actually called, it works core nutrition, like it's a multivitamin. So that was probably the original product. But there is some other like supplements as well. There's like some minerals and some different things. So yeah, ours are actually all natural. There's no synthetics anywhere. And there's enough active ingredient to actually make the product work. So a lot of times in vitamins, like the levels off, again, I'm not a pharmacologist or a phytotherapist or any of those credentials, but like basically there wasn't enough of each ingredient in conventional vitamins to make the actual product do what the clinical trials said that ingredient would do. So this to me is huge. So if you are wanting to get on some omega-3s, again, my whole angle is skincare. So if you want to take care of your skin and get those healthy fats in there, I would love to get you started on omegas. If you just need a good all-around multivitamin like Mark did in 2005, it's Vital Core Nutrition. Let's get you going. Or greens. I mean, I've fallen completely in love with greens. They are absolutely amazing. Anybody can use them. People give the greens chews to their kids because they're a prebiotic. And the greens powder that I love so much in the berry flavor is a probiotic as well. So good for gut health if anybody's out there looking for that. I know my Chinese medicine doctor, Sadie, had told me to take a probiotic at one time. So I get to have my wonderfully flavored berry greens and get my probiotic at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed little story time with me. Bye for now.